I'm here to actually try out these CanAm flushers for the first time. I did a small video, I'll attach it to this one too, on them a little bit, but I've never really gotten the chance to run this yet. So this is my first time actually running this. I'm going to take these angles, I'm going to roll them, and I'm going to wipe them out with this. I tried it a little bit right here, so I made sure I didn't look like a total fool on the camera, because honestly I've never ran one before. So let me run some angles out. I'm keeping quiet because you're too far away from me anyway to hear. So that's why I'm keeping quiet. You see this big hole here? They got a pipe leaking here. So we'll have to patch it up later. They think they don't know exactly what, but I gotta get it taped. And that would be the only thing holding me up. All right, so I always like to roll the opposite direction that I tape. It just seems easier for me. I don't know why, but it just seems to lay down much nicer. A little bit of a gap right there. When they straightened this out and leveled it out, this ceiling went up probably a good ½ inch or more. So even after they drywalled it and everything else, there was a big gap there. All right, just tap that in. Come on, stay there. It didn't listen to me. Now here's the big... I honestly don't know. I see it. Tore the tape, but my other stuff will tear the tape too. Neat. A lot of holidays in there. Okay. Actually, that looks pretty good. That actually looks very good. Oh, that took the tape right off. Darn it. You have to get used to that. It fell, didn't it? Felt something hit my leg. Ooh. That actually looks very good. That one not so much. I wonder if it's because this isn't as square. And it is brand spanking new. Let me ask you this, guys. Does it get easier as it gets worn? Let me know. That's not bad. That's not bad. You know, it's a lot cheaper. This is a lot cheaper than the other head. Again, this is the exact same size head as this, but I mean, this costs as much as 2, 3 of these maybe, and for one of these. So honestly, if I was trying to keep costs down, I would use that. But you know what? You can't mud with this one. I need something with a hole in it too when I go to skim. If I'm just gonna buy one of these to glaze and then still have to buy one of these to put the mud on, I'm just gonna have one of these because I'm not gonna buy 2, I'm just gonna buy 1. And with this one, by the time you buy 2 of these, you're paying for 1 of these. So, I don't know, we'll see. Otherwise, it did a very nice job finishing. Very nice job. You guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.